Hey guys, how you doing? Really quick, I wanted to come on here and let you guys know that more than likely Bitcoin is going to be closing a bullish day. It looks like if we actually end up closing, or you see this little red dot right here, if that ends up being a red close on the day, in 16 minutes, I can definitely see Bitcoin running another, where are we at? Like another $4,000 to the upside. In the last couple of days, it's been super weird. The crypto market has been super weird. And the only reason I'm not 100% bullish is because of this chart. This chart is getting extremely close to closing a bullish week. If there is a bullish week close on Bitcoin, I will be shorting it. I'm telling you guys right now. I actually opened up some shorts today in the morning just to test out the market. I cashed out with I think $40 profit. I just wanted to get a feel of the market. I think I shorted at 48,774. I think I shorted like a 0.1 lot on forex, and I made out maybe $40. I think I ended up opening up another short, like a bigger short on Bitcoin, but I actually already closed it out. But again, the only reason I'm actually bearish is because of the weekly chart. It's looking like it's getting pretty close to closing a bearish week. But apart from that, short term, I am a little bit more bullish on the short term. I do think Bitcoin has a strong chance of going possibly back to 50K or so. So running up about $4,000 from this 4,800 now. As soon as this day closes bullish in about 14 minutes, I can easily see Bitcoin going up to around 50K, or at least somewhere around the 50K range. After that, it's all basically up in the air. All I'm waiting for right now is for Bitcoin to close a bearish week. Once it gives me confirmation, I will be shorting Bitcoin. Regardless if I lose money or not, it is part of my strategy. It is part of what I do. And if I do not follow my own strategy in TA, what's the point, right? Even if I lose money, obviously I'm going to have my stop losses and everything already set and stuff in place. But again, it's just me following my own TA, my own strategy. Just keep an eye out. I'm telling you guys right now, short term, I am bullish on crypto right now. A little bit longer term, as soon as that bear week closes for Bitcoin, we can definitely expect some sort of drop to happen. And I'm telling you guys that right now. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. I just wanted to update you guys really quickly on what's happening for Bitcoin right now. Bye.